Who are you going to call now?
Papa.
You're calling Papa?
Oh God. Papa. We got.
Papa hopped in the car?
What are you doing?
What did Papa say? What's Papa doing? Did you just hang up on Papa?
No.
Can you call Grady?
Yeah. I don't know. Papa.
Did you tell Grady that you called Papa? Did you call Auntie Allie?
Yeah.
What did Auntie Allie say?
I'm a baby.
She's a baby?
Hi, baby.
Where's the baby?
A baby go.
Where'd the baby go?
No.
Oh, her baby went night-night?
Yeah.
Oh.
Poor baby.
Poor baby.
Poor baby.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.